The benefits of inverter welding. What is inverter welding? Inverter welding machines use electronic components like transistors and diodes to convert incoming AC power from the wall to DC and then back to high-frequency AC, which is then rectified and filtered to produce a very stable welding arc. Advantages of inverter welders. 1. Stable arc with less spatter. Inverter welders use advanced electronics to deliver a consistent, smooth arc, even under fluctuating power conditions. This stability helps in reducing spatter, the tiny molten metal droplets that fly off during welding, which means less post-weld cleanup. Improving weld bead appearance and penetration, especially important for thin metals or precision work. Maintaining quality even with dirty or rusted surfaces, where traditional welders may fail to hold a steady arc. 2. Fine control of voltage and amperage. Traditional welders usually offer coarse controls with limited settings. In contrast, inverter machines allow digital or analog fine-tuning of output settings to match the exact requirements of the job. Better control over heat input, which is crucial for welding delicate or thin materials that might warp or burn through. Easier switching between different welding processes and electrode types, making them versatile tools for multiple applications. 3. Can run on generators or low-power supplies. Thanks to their high energy efficiency and lightweight design, inverter welders can operate on household power outlets 110V or 220V without tripping breakers, making them perfect for home or light commercial use. Are compatible with small generators, which is essential for remote or off-grid welding, e.g., on construction sites or in field repairs. Have auto voltage adjustment features in many models, letting them adapt to inconsistent or weak power sources without damaging internal components. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on advantages of inverter welders, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.